Good morning, students. Yesterday we had a lesson, a hero. I hope you might have watched the videos also. And today we are going to have the explanation here. So, what is the recap yesterday's video, children? For Swami, events. What happened suddenly took an unexpected turn. Without expectation, it took an unexpected turn. Father looked over the newspaper. He was reading under the hall lamp and said, so, what was father doing here? He was reading the newspaper under the hall lamp and he said to Swami, listen to this. News has been received about the bravery of a village lad who, while returning home by the jungle path, came face to face with a tiger. What was the news here? What father read, children? The news was a village lad, means a village boy, bravery of a village lad who, while returning home by the jungle path, came face to face with a tiger. Face to face with a tiger means close to something and looking at it. So that is face to face with a tiger. The paragraph described the fight the boy had with the tiger and his flight up the tree where he stayed half a day till some people came that way and killed the tiger. What did the article describe here, children? The fight the boy had with the tiger and his flight up the tree, because where he had to escape from the tiger and he had to climb the tree where he stayed half a day. He stayed there on the tree half a day till some people came that way and killed the tiger. Later on, after reading to the news, or later on after reading it through, father looked at Swami fixedly and asked, what do you say to that? So after reading it through means reading it from the beginning to the end. Now father looked at Swami fixedly. Fixedly means without any movement, and asked, what do you say to that? So here what happened? Swami said, I think he must have been a very strong and grown up person, not a boy at all. So Swami said, when father asked him this question, he said, I think he must have been a very strong and grown up person, not a boy at all. How could a boy fight a tiger? What was Swami's version here, children? He thought seems that he might be a very strong and grown up person. He might not be a boy at all. How could a boy fight with a tiger? This was Swami's version. So now father had to tell you think you are wiser than the newspaper? Father sneered. He had to sneer at him. Sneer means speaking in an unpleasant manner. A man may have the strength of an elephant and yet be a coward, whereas another may have the strength of a straw, but if he has courage, he can do anything. So for this version here, if a man he is having the strength of an elephant and yet be a coward, if he is like a coward means one who is not brave enough. Whereas another person might be a strength of a straw, but if he is having courage, so he can do anything. This was father's intention. Courage is everything, strength and age are not important. So father said that to Swami, courage is everything, strength and age are not important. Strength and age are not important. Understood? So all of a sudden what happened? Here Swami disputed the theory. How can it be, father? Suppose I have all the courage, what could I do if a tiger should attack me? So for the year, Swami had to oppose the theory. What father said? Courage is everything, strength and age are not important. How can it be, father? Suppose if I have all the courage, what could I do if a tiger should attack me? If a tiger is going to attack me, I have all the courage, as you said. But what can I do if all of a sudden if a tiger attacks me? Live alone strength. Can you prove you have courage? Let me see if you can sleep alone tonight in my office room. Now father said to Swami, live of this strength. Only one thing you can prove to me, that if you have courage, let me see if you can sleep all alone tonight in my office room. This was the version from father.